Hindi pa kumayo kaya pantay muna kay Aiko. Aiko, what are you doing? Huh?
Where I want to watch.
You want to watch? No, we're going to go to the supermarket today. We have to refill our water. We need to buy some eggs and vegetables and fruits.
Where?
Okay?
Don't wait.
Yeah.
Wait. Wait.
Are you okay?
Wait.
Yeah, we're going to ride the bicycle.
Wait. Nothing yet.
A shopping cart? Oo, tumataka dito sa shopping cart. What are you going to buy today? Huh?
Shopping.
You go shopping today?
Waiting and shopping.
Riding and shopping. Draw. Get your pen. Get your color pen. Siya.
Nothing to be. Thank you.
Ito. Alam mo sana oh. How many color pen do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
20. Ang bilis magbilang. Go. Draw. Can you draw a penguin?
No.
What are you going to draw? A dinosaur? Go. Draw a dinosaur.
Wow, a pink one.
Go.
What's the red one? What's the red one? What's the red one?
Go. Pick the red one. Go. Pick the red one. Yeah, that's the red one.
Wow.
Draw.
Can I draw a dinosaur, please?
Go.
Dinosaur, please. Dinosaur, please.
I can't draw. You can. Try to draw the dinosaur by yourself. Come on. I'm not good in drawing eh. Use your pen. Use a sketchbook over here.
What is sketchbook?
Don't step on your sketchbook.
Yay! I'm skateboarding.
You're skateboarding on top of your book.
Whoa, skate. I'm ice skating. I'm Daddy Vito.
No, I will draw for you. Come on. What do you want me to draw?
Yes, Daddy Vito. Wow,
Wow.
thank you.
Thank you. What do you want me to draw?
A pig.
A pig?
Yay.
Okay. You will draw a circle. 2 big circle. Small circle. An eyes. Mouth. And ears. And the body. And the tail. Yay! That's the pig.
I.
Oh, how about you? Can you draw?
A dinosaur, please.
A dinosaur, please. This is my drawing.
No.
Draw.
Where? Daddy.
Draw. Everything that you can imagine. Draw. Come on.
Daddy, Daddy.
Yes.
Wow, this.
Color. Color the pig ears. Come on, color.
And eyes.
And eyes. And nose. And ears. And the body. And the head. What will you say to them? Hello, everyone. Talk to the video. Hello, everyone. Ikaw. Say, hello, everyone.
And the tail.
Bye. Say bye-bye to them. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye, everyone.
I love you, everyone.
Ayos kaya.